Hey there, design enthusiasts. Welcome back to the channel where we bring you the best tips and trends in home improvement and interior design. Today, we're diving into carpet tiles, a flooring solution that's taking the world by storm. This video will cover everything you need to know, from their unique features and amazing benefits to a quick and easy installation guide. Let's get started. 1. Features of carpet tiles. The first is about the top fabric and also check the color is correct. The second is about the thickness and also the density weight test. The third is about the backing quality test and also the flatting test. Last one is about the durable test and also waterproof test. 2. Benefits of carpet tiles. Carpet tiles aren't just easy to use, they come with a lot of benefits too. For one, they're affordable compared to other flooring options. If you install them yourself, you can save even more money. They also help reduce noise, so they're perfect for offices or apartments. Plus, many carpet tiles are made from recycled materials, making them an eco-friendly option. And if you ever move, you can take the tiles with you. 3. Installation made easy. Installing carpet tiles is really simple. First, make sure your floor is clean and dry. Most carpet tiles have sticky backs, so all you need to do is peel off the backing and press them down. Start in the middle of the room and work your way out to the edges, making sure everything lines up. You can even try different patterns, like diagonal lines or checkerboards, to add some style to your floor. And that's it, your ultimate guide to carpet tiles. From their versatile features and practical benefits to their simple installation process, carpet tiles are a fantastic option for anyone looking to revamp their floors. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more home improvement tips and trends. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.